Good morning, class. So, today we are going to be making a homemade lava lamp, which exemplifies density and chemical reactions. Today we're going to learn also about the differences between mixtures and solutions, but first we need to know a few definitions. So, first off, chemical reaction is a process that involves rearrangement of the molecular or ionic structure of a substance, and density, which is the mass per volume or mass divided by volume of a liquid or substance. Down here is the chemical formula, or not chemical formula, but the formula of density, which is mass over volume, which equals grams per milliliters cubed. So, coming back to mixtures and solutions. A mixture is made of two or more elements, compounds, or substances that do not lose their own physical or chemical properties. A solution is a mixture of two or more substances that are evenly distributed. In this experiment, the oil and water were not distributed evenly, so a mixture of oil and water is called an emulsion, which is defined as a mixture of two liquids that normally do not combine. When the liquid is shaken or stirred, a temporary emulsion occurs. However, after a short period of time, the liquids will separate back into their two individual layers. A mixture can be classified into two groups, heterogeneous and homogeneous. In chemistry, a heterogeneous mixture is substances that are not uniformly distributed, such as the oil and water in this experiment. A homogeneous mixture is a mixture of substances that are uniformly distributed and cannot be easily separated, such as salt and water. During this lab, a physical change and a chemical change will occur. A physical change is an alteration in physical properties, but no new substances are formed. For example, you will see the food coloring, when added to the mixture, will not create a new substance. In physical changes, the molecules remain the same after the change, so this means that the atoms will also remain the same. A chemical change is when a chemical reaction occurs, forming a new substance. For instance, when the tablets will be added to the mixture, it'll dissolve and create a chemical reaction by forming bubbles of CO2, which is a gas. The chemical changes break the bonds inside the molecules that are holding the atoms together and form new bonds in the molecules. So now it's time for the experiment. So first, we will fill the empty plastic water bottle 3/4 of the way full with vegetable oil. Now we will add the water to the remainder of the bottle. Next, we will add 10 drops of food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then, for the fun part, we'll add in the tablets. In a couple minutes, you will see some blobs starting to float. And there is the lava lamp. See the blue little circles coming up? And that is the homemade lava lamp. Thank you. Come again next day.